Thank you very much for joining us, Stormwatch 9 weather on the web. The big focus going forward tonight and tomorrow, gusty winds and chilly temperatures. So be prepared for kind of a mid-winter chill out there into the end of the week on Friday. The winds are going to crank up as the night wears on, gusting out of the west-northwest, 20, 30, even 35 plus miles per hour as the night wears on into Friday morning, and then the winds should subside a little bit later on in the day. So the coldest will be tomorrow early in the day through about midday, and then the winds again start to go a little bit later. Wind chills, single digits in teens all day long on Friday statewide. So for tonight, temperatures dropping back to near normal for this time of year. Teens north and the 20s south, but the wind chill much lower, and that wind driving in even colder air. So earlier on Thursday afternoon, many spots were well into the 30s. Tomorrow, 20s. That's it. 20th far north, 30 far south, and then the winds go a bit later on in the day into the day on Saturday with even lighter winds along a warm front on Sunday. So the winds picking up out of the west-northwest, 20 to 35 miles per hour, strongest winds overnight into the morning, western parts of the state in the higher terrain and possibly right along the immediate coastline. But the wind's just strong enough for a few scattered outages at any point overnight into early afternoon on your Friday. By later on in the day, the winds come down a little bit, generally 10 to 20, and then the same story on Saturday, so not nearly as windy to kick off our weekend. Feel like temperature, the wind chill, 0 on average in the North Country early on your Friday, and not a whole lot warmer farther off to the south. Single digits from Laconia to Plymouth, Upper Valley, and the Monadnock region, in 10 to 13 elsewhere. Not a big warm-up as the day wears on. Similar wind chills, very cold all day long. By Saturday, a bit milder, but still feeling like well below the freezing mark with a blend of sun and clouds in a spot flurry, especially up north, but could be basically anywhere during the afternoon. Then on Sunday, a warm front approaches. It'll trigger a band of light snow out ahead of it very late Saturday night through about midday on Sunday. Darker blues indicating steadier snow central and north. Later snow to the south, but possibly just enough for some slick roads early on Sunday before conditions improve later on in the day. Lingering flakes up north and drier to the south. So what follows that on Sunday? Well, on Monday on, we are turning milder. Tough to call exactly how warm it will be. That could lead to more rain than snow, but also possible mixing at some point, either late Monday or Monday night and on and off Tuesday into early on Wednesday. However, with warmer air on the way, there'll definitely be at least some time where it's raining in part of the state. We'll have much more on that part of the forecast as we go through Friday and the weekend.